records and check out the structural. Yeah, maybe the building itself has a history of
Hey, what you doing?
Right, good idea. I could look for the name Zool in Google literature.
Rubbing up my backpack like she owns the world. Now that is what I call swagger.
I'll take the spirit back to her apartment and check
What?
it out.
The true definition of swagger is to walk like you own the world.
Okay?
Like,
Are you enjoying her backpack?
normally it's in a very narcissistic way. Excuse my really big language. It's okay, I understood that completely. Are you recording her?
Yeah.
Fuck, why did she do it? He got scared. She's still going.
Thank you.
Daddy, are you okay?
That's the bedroom, but nothing ever happened in there.
Are you
I
done?
hope you get scared. It's almost stopping.
She's been doing this for a minute now, almost 2.
Why? If you destroy my laptop bag, I'm gonna kill somebody.
You could put it up here.
Hey, off the jacket.
I'm gonna hurt your jacket too then. Oh, did you find your backpack?
I have makeup and tampons and deodorant and other shit in there.
It's still filming, dude. This is so everything is in your backpack.
I said other shit. Hey, but tell them
Betty, are you done?
If I say they have tampons in
She's
it,
dead.
What?